So here we're going to learn how to add images and PDF links to a page. Instead of using the image icon here, we're going to use the Image File Manager icon instead. Click the Insert Image icon, and as you'll see, images that are contained within your Image File Manager will display. If you want to have additional images added to your site, click the Upload button. Click Choose Files, select the image from your computer, and you'll notice that the image name is displayed. If you don't want that image used, click Remove. You may also add more images to the upload. If you're completed, click Upload to Server and the image will be added to your site. Here's the new image. Notice the arrow under the image. Here you may insert, delete, edit, view, download, and add the image to favorites. Many people use this for logos or images that are used often. You may select Insert to insert the image to your page, or simply click on the image. As you can see, it has been added to my page. Right-clicking on the image opens a dialog box. Here you may edit the alignment of the image, unlink or insert a link to the image, cut, copy, or paste. Most often you will use alignment. We'll center align it. Clicking again on the image and right-clicking, insert edit image. Here you can add an image description, which is useful for SEO purposes, something more descriptive than what I'm putting, and then a title, which is useful for SEO purposes and people with disabilities. You may select the Appearance tab and again select the alignment. If you notice this image here, watch what happens when I select an alignment. If I click right, it will right align the image with the text flowing around the image. I'm going to select None. If you then enter a width, the left box is the width, the right box is the height. If you enter in a number for the width, say it's a little too large and you'd like it 400 pixels wide, and Constrain Proportions is selected, by clicking Tab, you'll notice that the height changed automatically. Constrain Proportions allows you to change the image's size without distorting the image itself. You may then give the image vertical space, which is top and bottom, or horizontal space, left or right. Generally, we recommend 10 pixels. It's a nice area. You can give the image a border, and then the next two areas, they're for people with advanced programming knowledge. If all is selected, click Update. Image is now a little bit smaller. That's as simple as adding an image. Now we'll add some text that will be linked to a PDF file. Generally, you will use text to link to a PDF file versus putting the PDF on the page. Sometimes people will include images which will then link to the PDF file. Here we will show you how to link to text. Here is a link to a PDF. So I've entered some text, highlighted the text, and now I'm going to select the File Manager. Insert File. You'll notice two folders. The Images actually has that image that we selected before inside of it, but for PDFs we will select the PDFs folder. You may create folders for better organization purposes, such as newsletters would be a folder and contain your newsletter PDFs, or user forms, which would create a folder for your forms that your users would use. When you add a PDF file, click Upload, choose Files. Going to go back to my desktop. Select the PDF file I would like to upload, and then click to server, upload to server, and then it will be added to the server. Mine is already here, and you may either select the name of the file or just check the box next to it. On the right hand side at the bottom, click Insert. Your text is now a link, indicated by the different color of the text, as well as the link icons up in the details area. You'll notice that both the link and unlink icons are active. Click Update Page. Actually, before we do that, let's go back and open that PDF file in a new window. So go back to that page that you just added the text to, highlight the text, right-click on it, Insert Edit Link from the dialog window. Right now it says to open this PDF in the current window. We wouldn't really want that. We'd prefer to have visitors open a window that would exclusively show the PDF file so they don't leave your site. So we'll select Open in a new window. Click Update and then update the page. So here's the page that we put the new PDF link to. We'll click on it, and here's the page with the new image as well as the PDF. It's opening in its own new window, and there it is. Pretty simple.